Ready to unlock a world of free McMuffins and discounted McFlurries? First, make sure you have the McDonald's app downloaded from your app store. It's available on both iPhone and Android. If you already have the app, double-check that it's updated to the latest version. Now, let's open the app. The first thing you'll see is usually the home screen, which showcases some current promotions and featured items. Take a quick scroll to see if anything catches your eye immediately. But we're here for the real treasures, deals, and rewards. Tap the Deals tab at the bottom of the screen, usually represented by a tag icon. Here, you'll find a rotating selection of offers, things like discounts on specific menu items, buy a megaton deals, or even freebies with a minimum purchase. Be sure to read the fine print on each deal carefully to understand any requirements or expiration dates. Tap Redeem Deal when you're ready to use it. Next up, tap the Rewards tab, often a star icon. This is where the magic happens. With every purchase you make at McDonald's and scan your app at the register or through the drive-thru, you'll earn points. These points can be redeemed for free food. As you accumulate points, you'll unlock different reward tiers. You can choose to redeem a smaller reward sooner or save up for something bigger, like a free Big Mac or even a Happy Meal. Once you have enough points, select the reward you want and tap Redeem. For extra convenience, use the Mobile Order and Pay feature. This lets you place your order and pay directly through the app, completely skipping the line inside or at the drive-thru speaker. When you're ready to redeem your deal or reward, scan your app where prompted when ordering. So there you have it. With a little app savvy, you can be enjoying free McDonald's in no time. Happy snacking!